Good morning. It's Tuesday, October 24th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are weaker after yesterday's pullback. You have gold down $12, 1975. Silver down 24 cents, 22.96. Copper's down 1 at 3.58, and platinum's down 13 at 8.92. So a couple things are going on in the metals markets right now. One, you have a 2-day short covering rally that appears to be fizzling out in the U.S. Treasuries. We're seeing Treasury yields push up here. 4.86% on the 10-year Treasury. Also, the 2-year is 5.04. So a lot of pressure right there on the markets. And then secondly, some of that safe haven rollover flow of funds that came into this gold market right around that peak from the 1985 on up to the 2000, I believe is exiting the market. That's kind of that frothy money that kind of has no real home. And what it's looking at is that rotation into Bitcoin, with Bitcoin up over 10%, 34,500. A lot of these people chase the markets. They're kind of always at the tail end, just really emotionally driven and triggered. So we got Bitcoin, a lot of speculation that ETF might get approved, so they're trying to front run that. That's why we've got a $5,000 move in 2 days. So another thing here, your momentum traders, your guys that use different systems, different moving averages. We did see gold break below that 200-day moving average, 1982. So a lot of selling going on right there, just technical triggering. So some things that we're watching here today, we got a lot of earnings coming out. We got Microsoft, Alphabet, GM, and Visa. We also have PMI data. 2 Fed speakers. We want to monitor that action in Bitcoin. Now looking at the trends here in the precious metals, gold is bullish, but it's got to hover above, still quite a ways down, 1894. That would be your trade trigger to take things neutral. So a lot of times when these markets move too fast, you'll see that trade trigger. It takes a while to catch up. Now I think really looking at the 50-day moving average, 1927, the key level support 1950, 1965, those are all very relevant. On silver, you're neutral. It never got to a bullish trend. The trade trigger points 23.58. Got to get above there in order to trigger that new bull wave. And then 22.11 on the downside for the bear trade trigger. So the outside markets here, they're a bit stronger. You got U.S. equities up. You got oil up about 30 cents. Dollar index up 42. That's also putting a lot of pressure on those on the precious metals markets. So if you got any questions, give me a call. I've been gone for about 4 days. Went to the Austin Formula One race. Great time over there. A lot of excitement. Drove back yesterday. It took about 13 hours straight to drive back. So that was a little bit rough here. So we're off to a slow start. But if you got any questions, give me a call. 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading does involve risk loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.